The Insta360 X6 is making headlines once again, and this time, the biggest leak yet has just surfaced. New images shared by the trusted source WinFuture appear to reveal the camera's official design, marketing materials, retailer information, and even its expected price. If these leaks are accurate, the Insta360 X6 could be one of the biggest upgrades we've seen in the X series. The first thing you'll notice is the completely redesigned body. Unlike the tall and slim design used on the X3, X4, and X5, the new X6 is much shorter and more compact. Interestingly, it now looks very similar to DJI's Osmo 360. Whether that's a coincidence or a response to the competition is still unknown, but it's definitely one of the biggest design changes in years. Looking closer, there are several refinements across the entire camera. The corners are now more rounded, giving it a cleaner and more modern appearance. The Insta360 logo has also been simplified, making the overall design look more premium. On the front, the status LED appears larger, which should make it easier to see when you're recording. Another major change is the camera controls. Several physical buttons seem to have disappeared, with more functions now moving directly to the touchscreen. Even the familiar Quick, or Q button, appears to have been replaced by a new red accent button. Right now, nobody knows exactly what this button does, creating even more curiosity ahead of the official launch. The leaked images also reveal a redesigned grille beneath the camera lens. It's now larger and includes a rectangular insert, while additional grille openings can be seen on the sides and rear of the camera. These changes could point to improved microphones, better cooling, or completely new internal hardware. However, Insta360 hasn't confirmed anything yet, so for now, it's all speculation. The battery system also appears to be getting an upgrade. Instead of the dual locking latches used on the X5, the X6 seems to feature a single flush rectangular release mechanism. This could make battery swaps faster and easier, especially for creators shooting outdoors. Small improvements continue throughout the design. The side grip has a finer texture for better handling, and the protective rings around each lens now feature a segmented design instead of the smoother finish found on the X5. But the biggest upgrade isn't the design, it's the camera performance. According to the leaked marketing material, the Insta360 X6 will finally support 8K 360-degree recording at up to 50 frames per second. That's a huge jump over the X5, which maxes out at 8K 30 frames per second. This improvement means much smoother footage during fast action scenes like cycling, skiing, or drone shots. It also gives creators far more flexibility for slow-motion editing while maintaining full 8K resolution. For many users, this alone could be the reason to upgrade. Of course, better hardware may come with a higher price. Retailer listings suggest the standard Insta360 X6 could launch at €689, while the Essentials bundle may cost around €789. That's roughly €100 more than the launch price of the Insta360 X5. So, is the higher price worth it? Based on these leaks, Insta360 seems to be positioning the X6 as a premium flagship, with a fresh design and significantly improved video performance. But the final answer will depend on the full specifications, image quality, battery life, and real-world testing. One thing is certain, the official launch is getting very close. If these leaked images are real, the Insta360 X6 could become one of the most exciting 360 cameras of the year. Stay tuned, because more details are expected to surface very soon, and we'll cover every update as it happens.